Hi friends, welcome again to my channel. So in this video I'm going to tell you what are views in SQL. Okay, so basically first of all, views are the most important topic in SQL. Okay, now what are views? Basically they are a virtual table that do not have any reality. Okay, for example, if we are having a simple table, for example this employee table, if we used to create this table, so this table will occupy some space in the DB. But if we create a view, it will not occupy any space in the DB. That is why they are known as a virtual table. Now second thing is what, well, if we are going to create a view, they are created just as we used to select some data from tables. Okay, firstly views are also always created from tables, one or more tables. Okay, so if you used to create a view, they are just created as we use select statement in order to create some particular columns from a table now. But they are different from select statement in one way, and the one way is what, the result. Okay, if you're going to use just select statement in order to select some particular column from a table, so the resultant table will be just read only table, we cannot make any updation in that table. But if we are used to create view, okay, by selecting some particular columns from this table, we can also make updations in that view, and this is the most useful advantage of this views is what. Okay, now we will understand that what is the use of views in SQL. Okay, let us understand this with the help of an example. Let's suppose this is a table, this is an employee table consisting of 5 columns: employee number, employee name, job, salary. Here it consists of some salaries I have not mentioned over here, but you can assume any values over here, addresses. Okay, let's suppose if some user, okay, want to get access on only these two columns, employee number and employee name. Okay, and this is a quite personal information about this employee, and the admin wants to restrict the use of these three columns, okay, to that user. So he can does this with the by creating a view that will consist of only these two columns from this entire table. Okay, that so that the user can have access only on these two columns, and these three columns will be restricted to him because they consist of some personal information about that employee. Okay, so he can do this with the help of creating views. Now how views are created? If you are going to create a view from this table that will consist of only these two columns, so how do we create that view? Now let us understand the procedure for creating a view. Okay, let's suppose if you want to create a view from this table that will consist of only these two columns. Okay, so firstly just forget that we have to make a view and just go with the select statement. Okay, like see, we want to select on we want some kind of table that will consist of only these two columns, so we will just select. Okay, we will just use a select like this. Select name of the columns, that is enum and ename. Okay, from what is the table name? It is employees. Okay, simple. Okay, so this is a simple select query. Now what this query will do, it will simply select the two columns from this table, that is employee number and employee name. But the main drawback with this query is that we can just read the data. Okay, we cannot make modification, we cannot make updations in this data, right? So in order to convert this drawback into advantage, we used to convert this table as a view. So for that, what we used to do, we just write a one statement over here, that is create view, and we used to give some name to this view. Okay, so we can name this view as imp data. Okay, so this is what the simple query that will create a view from this table by selecting only these two columns. Okay, so this is a simple procedure for creating a view, so don't get into stuck anywhere. Views are same as the select statement. Firstly select the data by placing this query. Okay, and after you have selected the data from this table, just write one statement upon this is what, create view name as. Okay, so this is a very simple way and a method to create views. Okay, just we need to write this statement. Everything is same as a select statement. Okay, I hope so now you get a easiest method to create views. Just firstly select the data that we want in the new table. Okay, in the new table. Now after this table, what will be happen, we will be assigned a new table that will consist of only these two columns, and the user who will get the privilege to use this table can make modification in this table also. Okay, only in these two columns he will not get any information about these three columns, and this is what the main usage of views in SQL. Okay, they used to ensure the security also, okay, of the data. Okay, now second thing, as I told you, the views can also be made for two purposes. We can also make views for read only purpose, and we can also make views for updatable purpose. Okay, so if we make a view, okay, and assign the user so that he can make updations in that view, but sometimes the user just want a view to just look at the table. Okay, so these are the two purposes for creating the views. Now, what are the type of views that we have? Okay, so basically there are four types of views: simple views, joint views, materialized views, and inline views. Okay, out of these, the simple views are just if you're going to make a view from only one table. Let's suppose, so this is an example of a simple view. Okay, here is one table and we are creating a view from only one table, right? The second one is what? Join views. Now join views are nothing but if you're going to create views from more than one tables. Okay, so if we try to make views from more than one table, so these are known as a join views. Okay, so joint views is a quite important topic, so we will discuss these joint views in our next video. Okay, in our next video we will join what are joint views and how they are created, how data is inserted and deleted in joint views. Okay, so everything we will discuss in our next video because it is quite an important topic. The third type of views is what the materialized views. Now materialized views are what the updatable views. Okay, they need to be updated every day. Okay, and we used to pay for these views also. These are not of a quite important concern for us. Okay, so you just need to know the definition of these materialized views. They are need to be updated every day, and they are the up to date views, and we need to pay for these views also. Okay, materialized views. Next and the last one is inline views. So what is the use of inline views? In case of inline views, what is happens, we can place a query in from clause. Okay, the from clause, like here we can place the query in this from clause also. Okay, so this is what the this is what the concept with this inline views. Otherwise I will make a separate video on inline views in which I will tell you with the help of an example that what are the basic use of these inline views. But for now you just need to know that we can also place the query in the from clause. Okay, thus it also used to reduce the complexity of complex program SQL queries. Okay, so this is what the use of the inline views. Okay, now so this is, yeah, all about what are views and what is the use of main purpose of creating views, use of views and their advantage. Thank you.